Good morning everyone, I'm Wilson from GA Solar. Today I introduce to you how to configure our hybrid inverter using Wi-Fi through a Solarman app. Before starting, please confirm your hybrid inverter has powered on and your Wi-Fi dialog is installed currently, and you have a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and you have installed Solarman app on your smartphone.
Step 1. Create a new power station. Tap Create New Family. Enter your home name. Then select your home location and home address. Click Add. Choose your grid supply method. And choose your solar panel method and your battery status. And then commit your power station building. Step 2. Add device. Click the Start button. Or you can click the plus sign on the upper right corner. Click Add Device, and then scan the QR code on the Wi-Fi data logger. Also, you can enter the serial number manually. Step 3. Configure network. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Little tip, the system can't recognize 5 GHz networks. Then enter the Wi-Fi password and confirm it. Wait for the network configuration to complete. And don't close the app during the process. Step 4. Confirm connection. After network configuration succeed, the light indicate light will be on. And wait 1 to 2 minutes. Then the device status in the app will change to online. The little dot will turn green. View your device. Live data such as PV power, battery status will begin updating.
How to change your Wi-Fi network? If you need to change your Wi-Fi network, please configure the Wi-Fi dialog. If you want to change your Wi-Fi password, you can also reset it. Press and hold the small right button on the Wi-Fi dialog for about 10 seconds. You can use 2 fingers press against each other to confirm it is fully pressed down, and release. Then, after 2 to 3 seconds, you can see the ready LED indicator blinker will show that the Wi-Fi dialog is reconfigured, is fully reset. Here is all the process of our hybrid inverter Wi-Fi dialog, configure and monitor process. Welcome to communicate with us. Thank you. Bye-bye.